Yeah, okay, not it.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are at Lulu Albush.
Yes, we were supposed to go to Nakhal, but we don't know why. We don't know why we have stopped at Lulu. At the moment, this is scene out here. It's all a big confusion. What to do? Okay, wait. Okay, that's Aki. Yes, I'm narrating as well, Aki.
Yo, what up, y'all? How you doing?
Speak about Lulu.
Hey, Biruda!
The owner of Lulu is
the
Mr.
ultimate hangout place.
His daughter's name
Yes, it's supposed to be a hangout place. We were not supposed to stop here, and we are all on our own today.
Okay,
यार कहाँ दूँ हमारे
Okay, listen, this is a PJ. If you want to go and pee twice, where do you go? To Lulu because it's Lulu. Okay.
Cute.
Come on, go inside.
We know. Having fun.
Come on, your fun keep going. नहीं जाते please. All good keep going, no.
Okay, that is Naman. Naman, say hi.
Naman's at Lulu Horns.
Yeah, Naman's at Lulu. Yeah, that's Naman's biceps. Great. We're having a great hangout. This is our great hangout place today. Yes. And this is Naman's best friend Zebba.
We gotta go now over there. Those teachers will ask why are we so late.
Okay, now we gotta go.
Just tell them to suck my